How to speed up Steam downloads. Steam downloads stuck at slow speeds? This hidden Windows setting may help you get much faster download speeds in just a few clicks. First, right-click the Windows taskbar and select Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, click the Details tab at the top. Now scroll down through the list until you find Steam.exe. Once you locate it, right-click Steam.exe. From the menu that appears, move your cursor over Set Priority. Then select Real Time. Windows may show a warning asking you to confirm the priority change. If that appears, click Change Priority to continue. Now go back to Steam and watch your download speed for a few moments. Depending on your system, network, and Steam's download server, you may see the download speed change. If this quick fix helped you improve your Steam download speed, subscribe for more simple PC tips and tutorials that can help you get more from your computer. And that's it. You've now changed Steam's process priority in Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.